All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to talk about movable chord shapes. And this is a really great way of getting explorative on your guitar, looking for some new sounds. What I'm going to do is just take open chords that we've been talking about or that we already know how to play, and I'm going to start exploring moving them around the guitar. So for instance, if I just take this D chord here and I move it up, I can move it in various different places and get different kinds of sounds. Okay, now some of the sounds might be pleasant, some might not. And again, this is kind of a personal preference, right? If I go, I don't really jive with that sound, although somebody else might, which is perfectly fine. That's the beauty of music. But if I go up 2 frets or a whole step, if I just move 1 fret, it's called a half step. But if I move up 2 frets, I've got a song, right? That's actually a little idea out of Wholehearted from Extreme, okay? And they use that all over the place. If I'm going, there's another song by Styx. Oh, I can't remember the name of it. There's another one that uses it all over the place, though. But anyway, that's in all kinds of different songs. So you could learn to move your chords around the guitar. Check this out. I'm going to take an E chord and move it up. So you can get some really pretty sounds by moving chords around. Now, the ones I'm showing you are kind of the most traditional places to move them, but what makes them interesting, again, is kind of the idea of these constant notes right between them. When I'm doing this, the only thing that's really constant is the 4th string, okay? The rest of it's moving around. But when I make an E chord, these bottom strings stay the same, which gives it kind